Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to the other modes of this camera with the slow motion, so let's pick it. And here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by tapping on this big button at the center. We can also tap to this one to change the speed of our slow motion, and we can pick between 4 and 16 speed. 16 has also some extra tool that help us recording slow motion better, which appears here. By just one tap we can turn it off and on. So the motion detection, and now when we start recording, it records only when it detects the motion to get the better result. So let me show you how it works by staying on the settings. Maybe let me get more space to my camera. And this is my object. Let's start recording. And now when I move it, it detects it and it saves the video. And to see the video, let's move to this button from the left. By just one tap here we get quick access to the gallery, and now we can play it by tapping on the center. And this is how the slow motion video looks like at this device, so it's really slow. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.